Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to RoboThoughts lesson number 6 of Jetson Nano's Linux commands. I am going to show you a bunch of interesting commands in this particular lesson. So, this is called system checks command. So, basically, it's a combination of several commands, and you can start using those to see what's happening in your Jetson Nano and fetch something and stuff like that. So, let me show you guys. Let me open my Jetson Nano terminal. I'm logged in already. Alright guys, so let me show you something, a command called history. So basically this command will show you all your previous commands which you have used in your Jetson Nano. Alright, so let's say history, history. There you go. Can you see that? There's a list of commands. There are 94 commands in this I have already used in this newly burnt Jetson Nano. Can you see this, guys? So this is what it means. Okay, now there's another command called clear, clear. This command will basically clear your entire terminal so that you can start working on a very clean and non-cluttery terminal. So clear, clear. So boom, there you go. Now let's say I'm going to show you another command called df. It's called a display file system. Basically this command will display the information about your disk space in your Jetson Nano, and how much is the usage and what kind of file system has been mounted on that and kind of thing. So let's say df. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this will show you the statistics of how much of the disk space has been utilized in your Jetson Nano. So this will show you the entire statistics. Okay, now let me clear. Now let me show you another command called du, which is called directory usage. Okay, this command basically displays the size of a directory and all of its subdirectory. You have one particular directory which I showed you how to create a directory, right? So inside that directory there will be multiple subdirectories. So du command will show how much of that directory is being used in your Jetson Nano. So du. Oh my god, can you see that? There's a list of stuff which I had been running anyway. So that's the reason it shows so many things. Can you see? Alright, let me clear. Now I'll show you another command called free, free. Now this will display the amount of free space available in your Jetson Nano system. Free. Okay, so this will show you what is the memory currently being used and how much is being free, and how much of it is being shared and kind of thing. There is also something called swap memory, which I'm going to show you at a later stage. That is little bit of advanced stuff. I'm going to show you how to occupy maximum amount of memory in your Jetson Nano so that you can run very complex applications and stuff. So let me clear. Now let me show you another command called uname -a. So this particular command will provide a wide range of basic information about the system. You don't need to understand everything, but it's just, you can just make a note of it. uname -a. Alright, so this is showing what exactly is your file system on Tegra, on your 64-bit Linux operating system and stuff like that. So anyways, it's not that, you may just ignore it, but this is just for your information. Clear? Alright guys, now let me show you another command called top, top. So this top displays the processes being used in most of the system's resources at any given time. Okay, and this is going to choke your screen, by the way. So but do not worry, I'm going to show you how to exit out of that. Okay, let's see. Top. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Yeah, so this is basically showing you the entire usage statistics, which particular folder and which particular program is running, and how much memory it's occupying, what is the CPU utilization, and stuff like that. All these things in your Jetson Nano. Now, to come out of this, you need to just press Q, and clear. There you go. All right. Now, I'm going to show you one important command which is going to help your entire journey of Jetson Nano, especially on Linux. So whenever you are stuck, if you don't understand what command to issue anywhere, you just have to type a man command, man space minus h. So that means it's going to show you multiple other commands and the meaning for those. You can just follow on the screen and you can start building from that. Say man space minus h. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this will show you tons of other commands. Say main modes of operation commands, blah blah blah, the root command, minus t, lowercase t, uppercase t, minus z, and all those things. Let's clear. All right. Now, for example, you have shared your Jetson Nano with your team, or multiple your friends are working together remotely. All right. Some of you have logged in, some of you came out, and sometimes you need to know. You will forget. Oh my God, what is my user ID? Who am I? Right? What am I doing in this Jetson Nano? Let me find out. So there is a way to find out who you are. Okay, there's a command called who am I. Okay, let me see. Let me show you how it is. Who am I? If you type this, it will say Robothoughts. That is my user ID. Okay, for you it might be different. The username which you created during your first lesson of setting up Jetson Nano. All right. So this command will help you to understand who this is. All right, guys. So that's it for this particular lesson, and I hope you enjoyed this. And I am going to get back to you soon in the next lesson. Bye bye.